Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Aristois for Minecraft 1.14.3. So the first step here is to go in the link in the description, which will bring you to this link. You need to click on the download, exit here, and then as you can see, you have it in the corner. You need to click on that. It's going to bring up this, exit out of that, and in here, there's going to be an Aristois folder. You need to minimize this page and drag the Aristois folder to your desktop. Then you can exit this and delete the file. So now you have this folder here. You need to go and hold down Windows button and click on the R key. This will bring up this little run box. You need to put in %appdata%, click on the OK, and then you need to scroll down all the way down to the Minecraft, the .minecraft. You need to double click on that, and then you need to find the versions right here. So you need to double click on the versions, and as you can see, it shows all of your versions you have previously run. So then you take this folder and bring it down into here, not selecting those of course, but put that right in there. Then you can close this and open up Minecraft. And then once you're in the launcher, you need to go to installations, and then you need to click on the new here. Then you need to go to the latest release or whatever you're playing on and scroll down until you find the Aristois. You need to click on that and then click create. Now you can go back to play, click on this little arrow here, and then you will be able to find the unnamed installation, but it also is Aristois if you named it that, and then you can click on the play button. Alright, so once Minecraft is open, you probably will be greeted with a little menu. You just need to skip through that. And as you guys can see, you have all your abilities here of Aristois. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If this did help you out, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Peace.